Hey everybody! In this video we're going to cover evaluating functions, absolute value, rational, and radical. So this is very similar to the last evaluating functions, or to another evaluating functions video that I made. Again, what is a function? F is the name of the function, x is our input, and f of x is what we're going to get whenever we plug in that value for x. So this is the given function form. When we find f of 3, plug in 3 everywhere you see x. So we're going to get 5 plus 3, x squared. X becomes 3 over x squared. So this is going to be 5 plus 3 times 9 over 9, which is 5 plus 27 over 9. 27 plus 5 is 32 over 9. So our answer, f of 3, is 32/9. Now, what about g of -1? Well, plug in -1 into this g function wherever you see x. So 2 plus square root 5 plus -1. Now remember, that whole thing's under the square root. 5 plus -1 is the square root of 4. So it's like 5 minus 1. So that's 2 plus 2, which equals 4. Alright, what about h of x? Well, we're trying to find h of 3. So we're going to take 2 times the absolute value of -12 plus 3 and then we do the inside of the absolute value first. -12 plus 3 is -9. Absolute value of -9 makes it positive. So 2 times a positive 9 is 18. Oops, I forgot to circle or box my answer. So there is evaluating function, absolute value, rational, and radical.